This is a guide to using the SDA Online Data Analysis System at the ICPSR. This will allow you to answer some of the questions for your second problem set for Political Science 210. There are 4 things we're going to learn to do today. The first is how to navigate to the main website, which contains most of the survey data sets that you're going to be looking at. That website address is shown on your screen. It's icpsr.umich.edu. Second, I'm going to show you how to search for a data set at the ICPSR website. Next, I'm going to show you how to get to the SDA system at ICPSR. This will involve creating an account at the website so that you can be validated as a user. Finally, we're going to show you how to produce some quick statistical results. The first thing you'll want to do is type in your browser window icpsr.umich.edu, and you should get this opening page. We'll want to follow the link to Find and Analyze Data. That's where we can type in information about survey data sets, and it will provide us some links. In the Find Data screen, I'm going to enter 2010-2012 American National Election. I'll hit the Go button, and this should return a series of surveys that meet these search criteria. The first one, the American National Election Studies Evaluation of Government and Society 2010 through 12, is the study that we're going to start with. If we click on that link, this is what the basic page looks like. It gives us some information about the survey, but what we're primarily interested in is the ability to analyze the data online using the SDA. Not all surveys at the ICPSR can be analyzed using the SDA. For some surveys, you have to use statistical programs like SPSS or Stata. If we click on the SDA link, it doesn't immediately allow us to use the survey. We have to register either using a Google or a Facebook account, or you can register and create an ICPSR My Data account. I've created a My Data account, so I will enter my information here, and I'll click the Login. And on the next screen, it will tell me that I'm authenticated, but it wants me to confirm the terms of use. This means that you won't be violating some scientific terms of use associated with using these data, such as trying to discover violate the anonymity of some of the respondents. So I'll agree to that. And this is your basic SDA screen. On the left-hand side of the screen, there's 2 parts. The upper left-hand side is the variable selection, and down below that, you can find information about the variables that are in the survey. On the right-hand side is the analysis window. This is where you enter the variables that you wish to analyze, and you can run various analysis. Finally, across the top, there's a series of bars that allow us to select different kinds of analyses, that allow us to create and recode variables, download data sets, and open up a code book. What we're going to do is we're going to navigate primarily on the left, and we're going to identify some initial variables that we want to look at in order to answer the questions for this exercise. These surveys can be quite complicated, but we're going to try to make this quick and easy. On the left-hand side, we have all the different areas in the survey. We're going to just click on EGSS1 survey. This provides us all the various subtopics. And your first question asks about Barack Obama's birthplace. So down here, if we scroll down, we'll see the questions about Obama's birthplace right here. If we click on the X and we open up the question, you'll notice the question popped up in the selected menu. We can get a quick view of the question right here. 531 respondents said Obama was born in the U.S. 216 said he was probably born in another country, and another 104 said he was definitely born in another country. If we go back to our original tab and click on the row button, you'll see how the question appeared over here. The question appeared there, appeared over there, We run a table, and now we have the same set of responses before, showing us how many people thought Obama was born in this country and how many was born in another country. So that's basically how you go into one of these surveys and find the basic frequencies on any of these individual questions. I'll click on one more. I'll find out how many people supported or opposed the Tea Party. So we already have, did you support, oppose, or neither support or oppose the Tea Party? If I click on it, again, you see how it's placed up here. I'll put it into the row. Now I can run the table. And I see 22% supported the Tea Party, and 22% opposed the Tea Party, and 54% either supported or opposed. So that's how you get the basic frequencies from navigating on the left-hand screen, putting them in the row variables, running the table, and getting the results from SDA.